everyone, myself Anasyan.
Myself Parv.
Myself Shubhang.
We are from India and we are here before you presenting our application MummaCare. It is designed for pregnant women who either stay alone or are at their workplace during this pregnancy period. So this is a single platform which covers all the needs and requirements and at the same time gives assistance that the women require. Now coming on to the software aspect of our model. For this application we have used JavaScript. For the front end we have used React.js and for the back end we have used Node.js and Next.js. And for training our model we have fetched the data sets regarding the symptoms, the level of criticality of the women and the solutions to the specific problems from the various sites such as the OpenAI, Kaggle, GitHub repository and WHO record bank. Now coming on to the functionality of our model. We have included various hover buttons such as overview, symptom tracker, weekly guidance, education library, community support and emergency and appointment section where women can book an appointment whenever they feel that their situation is getting critical to the nearest hospital available. Let's have a look on our source code. Coming on to the app part, so basically in this we have the components such as community, emergency, library, symptom and weekly guidance. So basically in the component section we are having symptom tracker. In this basically we have provided the data of various symptoms in the key value pairs. Now coming on to the weekly guidance part, in this we have categorized the description, exercise and nutrition week wise depending upon the women in which week she is. Now coming on to the education library, in this basically we have provided these source links from various other browsing websites so that one can just see through the links. Now coming on to the community support section, we have made a community where users can interact and they can post their questions or can just share their thoughts. Now coming on to the emergency appointment section, here one can book an appointment, the hospital address along with doctor name and phone number would be reflected. Now coming on to the functionality part of our application. So basically this is our interface of the application. We have tried to keep it minimalistic and user friendly and also easy for them to navigate. So for example, I have chose the hover button symptom tracker. Here we get many options for the symptoms. For example, I am having heavy bleeding, so I'll click on it and on the right side of the screen we'll say that it shows potentially concerning. So basically from this the women gets an implication that how much critical the situation is. Now coming on to the weekly guidance, basically here we are having so many weeks. For example, I'm in the 6th week, so we select that and from here we can get to know about how our baby is and about suggested exercises and the nutrition tips that the women can follow. Now coming on to the education library. In the education library, for example, the women wants to know about the nutrition during pregnancy. So she can just directly click on the article section and she can read about it. Now coming on to the community support section. In this section, basically we have made this for the community outreach so that everyone can share their thoughts or put up questions. Now coming on to the emergency and appointment section. In this section, for example, the woman is feeling dizzy or is feeling not well, so she can approach the nearby hospital. She can just book an appointment. The nearest hospital address would be reflected along with the doctor's name and his phone number. Thank you.